Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone XR on the iOS 15.3. We all expected the 15.3 beta 2 to arrive yesterday. The day I'm uploading this video and recording this video is 5th of January, and I expected Apple to release the beta 2 on Tuesday, which was 4th of January, but unfortunately Apple have still not released the iOS 15.3 beta 2, which means we still have some chance to get the beta 2 today or maybe tomorrow. It does not mean that we do not have any chances for beta 2 to arrive this week. Don't worry, we still have some hope, fingers crossed. We may see beta 2 later this week, but if not this week, it will be arriving probably next week, and then next to next week will be RC, and then next to next week will be the final release, which is really soon. Talking about how iPhone XR is performing on the iOS 15.3 beta 1, I gotta say that I am genuinely impressed by the performance of iPhone XR. Yes, there is a reason I included that performance bar, the speedometer, on the thumbnail. If you check the thumbnail, I have that speedometer. After installing the iOS 15.3 beta 1 on my iPhone XR, I realized that the performance is genuinely a bit better than the iOS 15.2. I did not expect it to be this good because you all know that beta 1 usually do not perform that well, but this is surprisingly really decent for a beta, and I do expect Apple to improve, and probably on the RC it will be a better update. Talking about how stable is this update, this table is not that good in terms of the normal day-to-day tasks, so I would not recommend you guys to install this update on your primary device. Though if it is your secondary device or it is just a device laying around your house, I would recommend you guys checking this update out, because like, why not? It came at around 550 MBs for me, and it did freed up around a gigabyte of storage from my device. It may vary on your device, because this is the device I'm talking about is 128 GB variant, because I have noticed for people who have 64 GB variant or 256 GB variant do get more or less storage uh, after updating to a firmware. Talking about new wallpapers, yes, we still do not have any new wallpapers. What is Tim Cook doing? Come on, give me some new wallpapers, man. Overall, iPhone XR is performing really great on the iOS 15.3 firmware, but I would still not recommend you guys to install it on your main device, because beta 1 do not tend to be really good on all devices. Like beta 1 usually, if it is for me, like if it is good for me, it does not mean that if you will install it, it will be the same experience for you, because I have noticed that if an update is really good, performing really good for me, some people even get boot loop issues or some kind of those issues on their device, whereas on my device I have like a really great experience using that firmware. So do not take my opinion as in like, yes, it won't affect my device. It may affect your device, so you should always take a backup and then install it on your device. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you did find this video helpful, entertaining and informative, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will meet you all in the very next episode. Peace.
Oh,